Alright, what's up guys? It's Bullet Envy. So, this is not typical for my channel, but I was just looking on Reddit because I have an issue with this, and I saw a bunch of guys saying that there were no reviews on this, and I've searched everywhere on YouTube and I can't find one single review on this mower. And I just purchased one for $7,200, mind you. It's a lot of money for a lawnmower. So, especially when I'm not mowing more than probably an acre. So I just wanted to do a small review on this and tell you what's going on with this one. So first off, I'm going to start with the looks aspect. I mean, I don't think I've seen a more attractive lawnmower. Not that that's super important, but I've not seen a more attractive lawnmower than this. And I do have to apologize for the chickens. The boys have been fighting, so nothing I can do about it. I hope you don't scorn me too bad, but I just wanted to get this out there because this is going to be a semi-short view on it, because right now it's a yard ornament. So I'm going to have to lock it up because I can't move it. I can't start it, can't do anything. So me, and I'm sure a lot of other guys, understand that electronics should not be on a lawnmower to a certain extent. So, okay. So, sorry. Had to go take care of that rooster. He's being too loud. So, like I said, very attractive mower. Got some really cool features on it. 54-inch cut. But I'm going to do a review later on this mower if I keep it. If they give me an opportunity, I might not, but I don't want to get rid of it because it's super comfortable. Super comfortable. However, I do not like the Kohler engines, but it doesn't ever bog down. I mean, it's powerful enough. Look at the size of them tires. So, I apologize for the noise. I cannot move the mower. So, yeah, it's real nice. These have the blades that are supposed to stay sharp for 5 years. We'll see on that one. I got the 380 version because it does, I don't know how well you can see that, it has the serviceable axles. There is a drain plug in these to where you can service them. So, good commercial axles. And that rooster hates me, I swear. You got your cutting adjustment right here. You lift that up, adjust it to where you want. It does have a transport mode also. Got your park and brake, but there's so many steps to starting this thing. I don't know. I realize these are dangerous, but it's like they treat you like a child. You have to go through, I think, 5 different steps before you can start it. So, let's see. It says it right here. Yeah, all these steps just before you can start it. Everything is well built on this, and I know there's not many other mowers with suspension on it to really compare, but it's super comfortable. Like, you don't bounce around at all. You're just, the mower bounces, you stay still. So that's pretty cool. And then I thought all these features would be pretty good. This works flawlessly. But since I got this mower, this is the purpose of this video. This has never worked. The light flashes, but the button does not work. So, having said that, let's go to the control panel and show you what I'm experiencing. Alright. Just watch for a minute. I don't know how well you're going to be able to pick this up, but let's see. See? It's just on and off, on and off. Completely glitched out. And this thing died on me a couple times. And it was saying that I had half a tank. But that was not true. The gas gauge, I guess it was just wrong. I put gas in it and everything worked after that. But just completely glitched out. I mean, you can't... You can try to scroll through, but then the monitor shuts off. So this control panel is completely fried. Keep in mind, I've had this mower for under a week. I've mowed with it probably 45 minutes per time, and I've only mowed with it twice. So, and just to prove, here's the keys, these wonderful plastic keys. It's like I'm starting a Tonka toy or something. All right, so got that in there. So now it's on. And, well, I'm not sitting in the seat, but let's try it. Just so I can really show you guys. And don't be hating on my Crocs. Alright, so ideally, it should start. Nothing. It won't do nothing. And then you come over here, and this guy's freaking out. So, just like I thought, this was the whole reason why I was weary to buy this one, is because of the electronics. And the guys told me that it's marine grade, blah, blah, blah. It's going to be fine. But I guess it can't even withstand up to dust because it hasn't really rained. I had it under a tarp covering the entire thing, so no dew could have got to it. Either that or maybe it's just some sort of glitch, I don't know. But this has worked and this has worked to start it, and everything ran great other than the fact that the gas gauge was off. And then I parked it to go inside and get something to drink, came back outside, and it was doing this. Hasn't started since, won't start. So I'm a little disappointed. However, even though Husqvarna's customer service online is complete garbage, you can't talk to a person, you have to go to a dealer for everything, and I don't really like that. However, the guys at the dealer have said that they would warranty this because it has a 3-year warranty, bumper to bumper, and then 4 years on the electronics. This mower is probably going to last more than 4 years. This, I don't see lasting, well, months, if that. And I guarantee you, if you go to buy one of these control panels, it's at least probably $500 to $1,000 just for this. Lights don't work either, not now. They used to, but it's a super dull light. Like, it basically shines right in front of the ground, but that's about it. So if you get this one and you plan on mowing late, you are going to want to get some sort of light bar, but plenty of places to mount it, and should be fine after that, as long as there's not some other safety crap switch that's going to prevent you from putting one on somehow. But I do like this nice little rubber bumper right there. That's pretty cool because, you know, don't matter how good you are, you're going to bang into something eventually. You got greasable spindles, which I like. This deck, heavy duty. It's not stamped. There's the blades, I don't know. I don't know. I would guess to say they're not going to stay sharp for 5 years, but I don't know until I can find out. But tell you what, this thing cuts like a dream. I've never been on a mower that cuts as good as this one. We're still over here freaking out. This comes on when you sit, not when you do the key. All the key does is let you crank it. So, suspension, I mean, easy to change. You pull this out, slide, let it go. Easy. I mean, look at that. I love that honeycomb pattern on that thing. But, I don't know. Doesn't matter what she looks like if she doesn't start and she doesn't mow, because that's what she's supposed to be for. But just so you can get some clips of it. And this is dirty right now, but I don't guess you could wash it, because I will bet you $100 that is not waterproof. You can wash everything down the bottom, but So that's my review of, or no, not my review, that's my conversation on what's happening to this mower right now. So the seat's really nice too, if anybody cares, but it's $7,200, so it should be. All right, there it is, guys. I hope this helped somebody for now. After I get this issue resolved and figure out what's going on and see how they help me, if they do, which I have faith that they will, then I'll let you guys know. They were talking about also that Husqvarna has created a delete kit for this. So you could get rid of this, they'll just put new handles on, and they'll just put your regular hour meter with the regular button that comes up. But I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to take it tomorrow, the next day, and it's probably going to be gone for a month. But after I post this, just be waiting about a month, maybe a little longer, because I am about to have another baby. So that's going to take precedence. But I will get this review out here. So I hope this helps somebody. Have a good day. Bullet Envy out.